So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new plan in Microsoft Planner. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your Microsoft Planner, which will look something like this. From here you can see my day, my tasks, my plans, my portfolios, and pin stuff as well. So you can see other features here. You can see the options on there. With new plan, you can through the new plan go to plan and portfolio, but let's just click on new plan. So through there, you can also see basic and premium. So if you have some premium account or a premium subscription, you can create premium plans. You can just see templates, so something like simple plan, project management, software development, sprint planning, employee onboarding, commercial construction, business plan, as well as a marketing campaign. But if you want to see all templates, you can also do that. Now through there, you can just go ahead and click on basic. So if you wish to create a basic from scratch, just type in a name. So let's type in a name, new name for a new project maybe, or let's stick with plan. And on there, you can just add it to pinned plans and you can add it to a group. So if you've created some context and created a group on Microsoft Planner, you can right away add it to a group that you've added. So that group can be notified that they have a new plan or a new project they need to participate in and try to fulfill the tasks which will be added. So if you click on this, create, it's going to be created. And you can see you can add tasks through here and even add buckets and schedules and stuff like that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.